How to add filter in OmeTV using an Android. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you're going to add filter in OmeTV using your Android phone. As you can see, first thing that you want to do is to log in to your OmeTV account. And since I'm using my Android phone, I'm not able to change any filter here in OmeTV application. Even if we go to the settings, we won't be able to find or change any filters, and that is because you need to switch to web app. This is for you to use filters by using Snap Camera on your live chat. But for Android, as of the latest update of OmeTV applications, it will not be possible. However, you can still do it on a web application, on your desktop, or in your laptop. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helps.